Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goo Guitar, Goo Goo Dolls. Ever heard about them? I believe so. Legendary with a song called Iris, at least, or many other songs. Maybe you heard of them. Now they're back with Nothing Lasts Forever. And if you watch that music video, it basically is about relations. I believe so. Relationships they can break and start all over again, and like that. Nothing Lasts Forever. That's the title of the song. Now let's go into this, and we can have that clean fretboard. No need for any capo here. We have 4 chords that just rolls in the same order through the entire song. We're going to look into 2 different string patterns, and that's it. So, starting with the chords, we have A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have next chord, and that is C, and it goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. So D minor next, we have open D, second G, third B, first E, and then finally we have the F. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret and you push all strings down there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. As I said, this will be the chord progression through the entire song. So a little bit about the chord switches that needs to work. So if you go from A minor to C, you can see that very obviously that it's very easy transition there. You just take a little ring finger on the second fret, the G string, and put it up there on the third fret A. So that will be very easy from A minor to C. And then you go over from D to F. That is also one thing to think about here, because it's a bar chord coming up there. So what I believe is a good scenario is to try to focus on that second fret G string on that D minor and have that as a bass to work around, because that is also in the F chord. So you don't have to release everything and try to find this perfect grip of F. You have something to build upon from the D minor. You just go up to this position. I believe that is the best scenario if you are like a beginner and try to get everything right there. But yeah, it's up to you how you handle it. A minor, C, D minor, and F. That's what we're going to work with. Now let's go into the strumming. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, you have this main string pattern of the song will be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you have first one down, and then down, up, and then up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. And that is one round. You're gonna play one of these string patterns per chord. Then at 1 minute and 47 seconds in, we're gonna change the string pattern to this. Okay, so a little faster now. So the first half of it will be down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. And the second part will be up, down, 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 up. So if you build these 2 parts together, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And again, you're going to play one of these per chord, so in a context, it sounds like this. And you're going to play that from 1 minute 47 seconds in, like I mentioned, to 2 minutes and 38 seconds in. So during that part, you're going to play the second string pattern. And then after that, you go back to the main down, down, up, down, up, and play that till the very end. And that, my friends, is how you handle Nothing Lasts Forever by Goo Goo Dolls, legendary group there. So give it a try. Obviously, it fits guitar very, very, very well. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.